Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would do something fun. We're going to play in my Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette, the OG, the original. That's the one I have. I got errands to run today and I was getting ready, putting my makeup on. I thought, why don't we film it? And I'm trying to go through and pull out old palettes and use them. So that's what we're going to do today because I'm in this fall mood, even though it's not even Labor Day yet. And it's supposed to get near 100 today. That doesn't matter. We're just going to play. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. So let's just get started. For those of you who have not seen this, there's what they look like. But most of you, I guess a lot of you, have this palette. So let's play. Let's do something I normally wouldn't do maybe. I don't know. I got errands to run. Gotta take my kid to go get, he's not a kid, he's 22. I gotta take my son to go get his hair cut. So I'm gonna start with this color right here. Just my base, and set my primer with it. Just from the crease up. Not on the lid. I like to leave the lid tacky because you know, you've been with me, I've got to have some shimmer or glimmer or glitter or something on my eyelid. And so I leave that tacky to hold that. So there we go. I set the crease area because I want that to blend really well. That's where I blend most of my colors, is from the crease up. So you need that base, just set that to help blend easier so it doesn't grab the color where I want the color to grab on my eyelid, if that makes sense. Now for my, what I call my transition area, now I can go pinks and purples, or I can go like oranges, and let's go, I'm fall, I'm feeling fall. So I'm gonna go in with pumpkin spice. Yes, same big fluffy brush, and I'm with my mirror a little closer to me. I'm gonna put that in my transition area and just kind of blend it around. There we go, just like that. And just to set my base, well, it's not the base color, I guess it's my, what's my transition? Just got that there. Now I'm gonna grab my Refer number 12, which is a little dirty. It's stained, it's not dirty. I have my color switch. I gotta clean it out, but it does need cleaned, but it's okay for what I'm gonna do today. Now for my actual crease, I'm going to go in with, Warm and Cozy. That's Cocoa Drizzle. Warm and Cozy, that one right there. Get that on my brush, and I'm going to work that into my crease. Like so. I think today I want to try to maybe focus, lift the color on the outer edge without going underneath. I have some things to put on my eyes. Are they anywhere nearby? No, I'll have to dig them out. I do have some things. I just never think to pull them out. We'll do that one day. But yeah, there we go. Other eye. Get that color in the crease. I'm creating shadow in the crease. There we go. I did put my drops in my eyes, so hopefully they're not bloodshot. It's a little bloodshot. I'm not really sure why. There we go. I'm okay with that. let's leave it alone. Next, I think I'm going to go into Use Spicy, which is that darker one right there. I'm going to take this same brush, and I'm just going to do my outer V. I like a dark corner on my eyes. My eyes are big, so I can handle a dark outer corner. I just think that works for me. I'm going to take a detail brush. I'm going into that same color, Use Spicy, and I'm going to work it under my lower lash line. I used to never put foundation. I used to never put eyeshadow under my eye. The whole time I was a makeup artist for Estee Lauder, we didn't do that. It wasn't until after I started doing YouTube videos. And now I can't imagine not doing it. I should do it one day. I'll do a look without putting makeup under there. There we go. I'm liking how that is doing there. Next, I want to color like a little flat brush. Make sure it's clean. I think I'm gonna go back in with pumpkin spice right there. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with that. I'm gonna do the inner corner of my eye like that. Oops, I stuck it in the wrong color. Let's get that out. Keep it the same color. There we go. I do like that. Now, for my pop, I can go purple, pink, or green. I'm wearing green. I'm going to go with green. I'm going to swatch the two shimmer green. Well, one's a gold, I think, and one's a green. I think we'll just go with the green and put it right in the center. There we go. Let me find something to wipe my hand on. That didn't work. Okay, I'm not going to wipe it on my leg like I normally do, because I am going out and I'll forget and I'll have shimmer eyeshadow on my leg, so I'll try just to remember. My fingers are dirty. Next, let's just put some mascara on. And I think we're going to call this look done. No, we're not. I still got to... No, I don't want to put that. Let's put some mascara on. I might need to straighten up here a little bit on my lid. I'm going to go ahead and get this mascara on. I should keep something on my desk to wipe my hand on. You would think, wouldn't you? I'll do that. There we go. So, let me take my little rougher brush. I'm just trying to smooth out where that green went. There we go. I'm going to stick my finger back. I'm going to go in the gold one. And I'm going to actually add that on top because I don't think it's glimmery enough. Yeah. Oh. Duh. Perfect. Did I clean my fingers off? Look at there. Now, I want a clean brush. Grab a clean, fluffy brush. I'm going to go back into this whipped cream, and I'm going to blend up in here just to give me... I don't want to shimmer up here today in the very top. I just want to kind of clean it up. I'm not happy. I'm going to go back in with this brush and in this Warm and Cozy. I just want a little more definition right in here. I just feel like I need a little more. Just to make my eyes pop a little more. I think that did it. That did it. Okay, guys. So I think I'm gonna leave it there since I am going. My camera battery died just as I'm telling you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.